One by one, countries are lifting the coronavirus lockdown and life is slowly getting back to normal. We still have a long way to go, but economies are starting on the path to recovery. Today we'll talk about what will happen to dropshipping after the coronavirus is over and what is happening right now as countries start to slowly resume normal life. Hello, my name is Natalie and you're watching the AliDropship channel. We specialize in helping aspiring entrepreneurs start their own dropshipping business with ease and no monthly payments. And today we're here to help you navigate through this continued time of uncertainty by reviewing what to expect in dropshipping after the coronavirus. Note that the suggestions and predictions covered in this video are based off of our experience in dropshipping and are not meant to be 100% prediction of what is to come. We also believe that understanding buyer psychology is very important for any type of business, so we will touch a bit on this as well. It's been 3 months since most countries enforced the quarantine lockdown. Right after lockdown, we saw two opposite trends. At first, people stopped buying at all, wary of their financial well-being. Lots of people lost their jobs. However, the demand for household goods soon rose considerably as people had to stay home and started to panic about running out of essential items. But soon, people got tired of staying home, and those who could afford to started buying non-essential stuff to cheer up and pass time. The past few months, we've seen a rising demand for board games and video games, computer equipment, cooking supplies, gardening tools, fitness gear, and pretty much anything that could help fight cabin fever. Right now, this trend is still there, though it keeps changing. According to McKinsey & Company, even now most consumers still feel the pull toward a homebody economy. This means that they are still opting to make purchases online as opposed to going outside. Business giants ask their employees to work from home, and many small businesses have also supported this trend. As a result, there is a continued high demand for two product categories. And we believe that even as lockdowns lift around the world, demand will continue as the coronavirus has been very unpredictable in terms of infection rate. The first product type that is in demand right now makes staying and working at home more comfortable. The second is the items for fun and comfort. People need a sense of security and relaxation and also stuff to break them out of boredom. Now let's look at our first recommendation on products for dropshipping after the coronavirus. Offer products for comfort and fun. As more people feel confident towards the future, online stores can start to offer products geared for comfort. Something to celebrate that we managed to live through the first consequences of the outbreak. Consider selling stuff that brings joy and relaxation. For example, such products as celestial projectors or string lights, as these help create a peaceful and inviting mood to any room. You can find items with the same ability to elevate mood in your niche. We're looking for something that evokes a feeling. Well, even if things don't work out in the best way in the world right now, at least I can get this awesome thing, and that's exactly what I need right now. However, keep in mind that because of the pandemic, a lot of people have become unemployed. People may still be hesitant to spend on non-essential items, and many others will price shop to ensure the best deal and lowest price. And even those who do have a job are now much more careful about prices than before. We believe people in general will stick to a reserved buying attitude for some time, even after the pandemic is over. That's why we recommend focusing on affordable products with attractive prices. Since most people are now buying stuff online, e-commerce is on a steeper rise than ever before. Many online prices have dipped to help buyers shop with greater ease. Now it's not the time for high-ticket dropshipping. At this time, you can make buyers feel better about their purchases by offering discounts, coupons, and promotions. Greater savings and value make shoppers even happier. Is it a good time for dropshipping? If you're wondering if it's a good time to start dropshipping after the coronavirus, there unfortunately is no real answer for everyone. But keep in mind that crises of any kind often open opportunities and higher risks bring bigger results. One more thing to consider is the fact that you will need to advertise your website online, and prices for Facebook advertising have dropped considerably since the coronavirus lockdown. So, if you want to launch a business but don't have a large budget, now is an ideal time. Compared to other e-commerce models, dropshipping requires only a small investment. At AliDropship, starting a website is as low as $150. Watch our video here to learn how it all works. Another popular concern is advertising. How much do you need to spend to see results? In the description, I will place a link to a video where we explain how to plan advertising budgets on all paid channels. If you're a total newbie, make sure to also watch our webinar on Facebook strategy. You will learn how to find the best products and launch profitable campaigns. Even if you are an experienced Facebook user, it's a chance to check whether you do everything the right way or learn something new. Here's a link to the webinar. I will also place it in the description box below. While many entrepreneurs had to withdraw from the market and others refrain from advertising, right now the competition for Facebook ads is low. So now you've got a unique chance to enter the market. Creating a dropshipping store is the first step, and promoting it is the second. Advertising is an important part of dropshipping business. The current situation with low bids won't last forever. As businesses come back, the prices will rise again. So if you think of starting a dropshipping business with lower expenses, now is the time. What about shipping? Dropshipping utilizes suppliers, and most of them are located in China. At AliDropship, we work with AliExpress, whose suppliers are all based in China. As you may know, right after the coronavirus outbreak, many factories in China were closed. Logistics and air travel restrictions caused great delay for suppliers. Even the fast and cheap e-packet shipping method on AliExpress saw delays for up to 60 days. Does this mean that you're going to face the same problems? Probably not. In fact, give this one a thought. Most complaints have been from people who ordered products in February and March when the lockdown began. And oftentimes, shipping time wasn't the issue. It was the product being locked in warehouses because of the quarantine. Currently, Chinese factories are back to work, so there should be no more lockup of inventory. But due to high back order, you may still see long shipping times for your website. We suggest searching for AliExpress sellers who have warehouses in America and Europe. You can cut your shipping time down by a lot. Learn more in our video here. In addition, most AliExpress sellers have currently removed shipping methods that don't work or are too expensive and slow. Instead of e-packet, we actually recommend using AliExpress standard shipping, which can actually ship faster. Watch this video to understand why. And remember, China is currently fearing a second wave of coronavirus, so be sure to follow the news and keep in contact with your suppliers to be on top of their manufacturing status. What you need now to start and continue dropshipping. Dropshipping after the coronavirus will require a more creative approach. You will have to pick products more carefully and think of customers' needs versus wants. In this video, we've shared a few thoughts on this, and we hope it's a helpful insight for you. We all want to feel financially secure. The coronavirus situation has shown that even 9-to-5 jobs are getting unstable. That's why we highly suggest utilizing e-commerce as a side hustle for extra income during this time. And with dropshipping, your risk is much lower than that of a traditional e-commerce site because you don't have to purchase inventory ahead of time. With dropshipping, you're not limited to selling the products you already have and can shift your products by just changing suppliers and your site items. All you need is a functional website and good marketing to attract online shoppers. And remember, we are all learning every day. If you're new to dropshipping, don't worry. At AliDropship, we are always sharing our knowledge with our followers for free. We are a wealth of information and provide resources such as a guide on dropshipping for beginners, a guide on how to choose a niche for your store, and a guide on how to increase the conversion rate on your site. Find all these links in the description box below. Remember that you can start dropshipping after the coronavirus even if you're not really tech savvy. From a custom-made store to ready-to-go established store, we have all the solutions to help you build your own brand and reap an income during this turbulent time. Learn more about our store types with our links in the description. Just be sure to examine what is currently in demand and what people are prioritizing their money with right now, and work with your suppliers to be on top of supply and logistics to provide a pleasant customer experience. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth video on dropshipping after the coronavirus. In our previous video, we talked about how to find trending products to sell in 2020 by checking out what others dropship. Make sure to watch it next. Dropshipping will not die out, but knowing what to sell and how to sell during this time is crucial to continued success. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and good luck.